Hi guys, once again. Hi guys, my name is Zubi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and join me on this YouTube thing. So yeah, today I'm bringing you guys a goddess style version on my dreadlocks. I wanted to do a hairstyle that was different, but something that I felt was simple enough for me to do. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. If you watched my previous video, which should be me doing an updated retwist of my locks, you would know that this video was coming. So I'm going to be designing and styling my hair and as well as doing the goddess style on my hair. But this is also going to be trial and error for me because I have not done this before. I actually don't even know a lot or what to do with like hair extensions, so we're going to be learning together. This is what my hair looked like since I did it yesterday. This is it fresh out of like my sleep sack. It's still a bit damp, so I'm definitely gonna need to let it air dry today.
Hi, so the first product I used was this hairpiece called Deep Wave. I used the code bug, which gave me the color maroon, and I used one packet of this. I also used shells, beads, and golden rings as my hair accessories. And then I had some black rubber bands, which were small in size. And lastly, a 3.5mm crochet hook.
So we're gonna start with the Goddess Braids. This is essentially the weave or the extensions, the hair extensions I am working with. As you can see, the color is really pretty and it sort of does match my hair. So I've never done this before, but my plan is to cut it in half because I want an exact match to the number of locks I currently have on my head, which is 52. So to cut it in half and then take a piece and use that, because I think half the length, like this whole length, a half of it would essentially be equal to my hair. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, but first I'm gonna open it because I don't want to cut it and mess up and then I have no choice. So I want to open it and then measure the length. I don't know how you guys work with this. Like, it's freaking me out because there's so many tangles and I don't know what to do because I don't want to mess it up. I know people usually use oil and stuff, you know, to make it separate, but I think I'm just going to try and pluck them and see how it works. Oh my god, I feel like this might have been a bad idea to do it like this. So now I'm just going to pull out one of the pieces and attempt to tie it into my hair. Okay, to have this hook through, we're going to take a piece. Okay, guys, I am going to I know I'm confused because this isn't how I wanted to do it, so I'm just gonna pull it quickly through. Guys, sorry. I told you guys we're figuring this out on the way. Guys, I'm back again. So let me tell you my dilemma right now. My dilemma is I did cut it and I think I have the right idea, but I didn't think about how the ends would freak if I cut it. So I got a lighter and I'm going to try and like burn the ends together so it doesn't cut out. Do you get what I mean? I don't know if you guys are understanding me, but I'm just gonna try it and see how it works. Is that enough? Oh shit, that's definitely... Now the ends don't have to come undone. Do you get what I was trying to do? And now I am actually going to fold it in half, right? I am going to put my crochet hook through. Put it through the loop. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put my fingers through the loop and make a knot. That's it. Isn't that it? I don't think I'm doing this wrong. I just think the pieces of the weave are way too big because I'm looking at how they're supposed to look and it's just looking like it's fine, but maybe they're just too big. So I'm gonna try like a smaller bunch. Like I think this looks fine. I'm just gonna keep trying like another piece, the second piece that I have here.
You got me on your side now. Yes, I'm on your wave right now. Ooh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Said, love me, judge, love me tender. Love me, judge, love me tender. Love me, judge, love me tender. Love me, judge, love me tender.
So I'm literally gonna keep going because there's no harm in trying. Do you know what I mean? We are actually getting there. Like I think it's coming to life. So for anyone wondering how I'm doing this, we finally figured it out. So I am essentially taking one of these already formed pieces out, right? I am splitting the piece into two parts because I feel like I was just initially doing it too big. I take a lighter and I burn the ends from the ends.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Smash it together, right? Then I take my hook, turn this in half, scoop it through with the hook. Do you guys see vision? How do people survive with these braids? Because they really just get in your mouth and in your face, and I can already tell, like I'm already getting irritated by them, so I know I'm probably not gonna keep them for long, but like how do you guys do it? Anyways guys, I am going to go ahead and show you guys the last end product, and yeah, now you guys have seen me struggle to be able to do it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up, let my phone charge a bit, and then show you guys what it's looking like as the process goes on.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, once again. Yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. As you can see, some of them are coming out. I'm not really sure what to do about that. I keep trying to tighten them and it's all over the place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and oil them down one by one and just make it like normal and neat, trim it and see how it comes out.
I'm paddling, that's my bro, my family. When it comes to money, you are not my bitch. If you become a shall not be head of state. But now people then go say, I know one bite, I know one die, I know one baby, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy.
Hey guys, so it is currently like 7:40 p.m. Again, this is taking me longer than I thought it would. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like so far. I'm going to add a couple jewelry pieces and then I'll show you guys for real the final product. Okay, hi guys, this is the final look. I think I am done. My face is really shiny and oily because of the oils I've been using. I need to go take a shower. But I don't really know how I feel about the look. I feel like I'm 50-50. I kind of like it, but also the knots keep coming undone and I just know it's not gonna last. I'm not trying to put some bad energy out there, but with the way the knots keep coming undone, the tangleness and the amount of oil you need for them to stay sort of separate, it's a lot of work. So I don't know how you guys do it. Maybe somebody knows what I could be doing wrong. Just let me know down in the comments. But this is how I look and I'm gonna show you guys a full view of how it looks from the front and the back.
Alex, Babs, take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee because you're the only one to hold me.
So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a like and turn on your notifications if you'd like to see more. As for today and actually for this week, I am done recording. Man, this has been a long 2 days. But I hope you guys have a good rest of the week, day or night, evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.